When I went to college, I gave up soccer at that stage for one summer. I moved out of the house. I put on about 3 stone. And I probably, looking back on it now, was really struggling with myself and who I was and my sexuality. Insecurity, really, on so many levels. You don't want to make a mistake. You don't want to be the person who's not good enough for that team. Maybe as I got older, I think insecurity with myself and who I was and where I fit in.
I wasn't aware of our struggles at that stage. I think that was probably the stage where we maybe weren't as close. But I think you could tell by her that there was something there that she wasn't quite happy about or she was insecure about.
Spórt was a place where I didn't feel that pressure. Do you know, I was the same as everyone else and I could just be me. A kind of an armour or a personality that I was able to be strong in, whereas I didn't have, and I still probably don't have, that personality outside of the pitch. I think I just, I loved men, as in, like, they were lovely and lovely people and I connected with them. Did I want them to be anything more than that at the time? Not really. I didn't want to conform to what everyone else around me was doing. But then the daunting reality of being different is fairly scary. I certainly struggled, I was angry, and I didn't know where in some small areas of life where my niche was.